I did that.
It was done on the 15th.
Then why'd they ask me to do it? Look, it's even written on. They came over here, they called me, and they walked over here.
You have to check the chart and stuff. Tell them to check. Just to make sure it's not physically destroyed. It's fine. Better screen than not screen.
Is this printer working?
Yeah. Can you use it?
Yeah, but I'm trying to print out a couple of reports
Yeah.
down in it. That one won't